At your ye be a quawemu prone from head to toe. Now left and right, you drink of force to sugu, and everybody was like, hey, now Santasi-Kokoben, ye bemu coffee, ye bemu, more drivers on one Sunday me message. Voice note 0244724087. With all the concerns, will be contained and near muscle, near Hudin and the papa panyanai. Now, just everywhere. Now, watch this. It's your toy just one day. Kumase. I tell for Mama, yo, now the elbow probano, and you're dangerous. Nobody should say, I didn't warn you. There be area where I have for potty.
Unim Santasi-Kokoben stretching.
Yes.
Kokoben station honoma. Oh, say filling station bina a walk Kokoben station honoma.
Yeah.
Aha, on your right. Oh, qua on your right. A free before so be drew filling station honoma. And they could do baby traffic the touch pa. A honumuni. A honumuna who's sadio. Kofina, a rehosem say. And you soon a tonic keke and a hydrogen. But Kofi is soon not time my erosion are taking place by a quantum more be.
I bet you make it.
Yes, in so na bie kwan nim.
And okay, any.
So,
okay.
Inti a pie kwan mu mienu.
Oh no. Come on.
A pie kwan mu mienu.
It's terrible.
Enti ehanu mu say do say unnim na say o de o driver na say bia mistake lu ye wadwe say o park na o ka kwhye wono mo de akofie no ano no. Ada so be say o ka no but e kwan mu a pie mienu. And nobody is paying attention to it. Nti say nsuo twa on this day. And you just a video with them so you can
Kokoben yanda chuma empoma. I achuma kwanguma.
Yes.
Kokoben yanda kwanguma.
So Kofi Wahu, nsuo talk akra bi wo de we ho no say swimming pool. So the side of the road na ho no mo apai no. E ho akoda ne swimming pool. E na nsuo no etamu sa nti emu apai miensa. Bako on the immediate side of the road. And a quack kakra, a quota kakra, a sififi. And on the other side, nsuo asanso a hot was answer a pie, ever so sim. It's a quack of pie me and son. And then soon a tata musa. It is a wooden now for far home with the Gufua here, Bipra. Assemble two. So this is the stretch of the road. The main road, Santasi-Kokoben or Boise Avia Quanta road. The main stretch of the road. Into which I was a traffic at Chohopa. Almost every day, between 2 up to 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Traffic at Chihuahua, and that is the state of the road. Now, the man yara who crowd say, "Go filling station is also the immediate side."
The immediate side of the road, and a quanumu apai, and drivers are more ply that road. More that stretch.
Car we are filling station one.
Yes.
Filling station one go fish filling station one more. Acquire the filling station one. And the more pino.
Okay.
Acquire the filling station one the more pino. So there is no alternative be about I don't know. Me it do time be na me dream one could sometimes you ask yourself say yes where a major road, main road and a highway. So I don't know if some painful name who you so bo hu so no mo bo apaye na yo mo say and now so say bi o mo hyeda na mo bo Ghana for abro say I just don't get it because when ya man ya ho no say ye be hwa na fe de ade na 7 billion repairs then we spoil ya san so about beside the taxpayers money e dey have go sa kwan so ya ka so na contract we dey ye na nche e na ya san so award to another contractor na wasaba be Ghana for sika no mo di just like that. So you see I said, Obi in Guinea, Obi home, I will come had a muse. And gradually, the same politicians now incited to be before share for mu. Because Kofi's had a way, Office had a way now share the same place now. And the main stretch of road that they call Yaquanto Boas now. You ask yourself, say, so who are our leaders? Pay for Ben and Hessa Chronoso. And pay for Ben and Hessa report a year honomo. And I report Ben Omodia called the Highway Authority. Highway Authority report Ben Omodia called the Ministry of Roads and Highways. And the Ministry of Roads and Highways report Ben Odia Kokomo Penny.
No, but my worry is that just recently, Kofi, that was 2021.
Yes.
Shortcutting. A for Ben Mam Okoja man will get me a bra shortcutting. The euphoria. The symposium, in fact, the chilling, and the Gianna what the faces of many people were a year Santasi anyan kwanta stretch say yeah kwan no na ye bie kwan no mu pro na enen we having everything. In fact, the understanding was that ye bibia awie a obia anka na koma ento ne yam na we are almost done. I just said you bia here bia e was sa kwan no so ye ba benya. So this is what we are getting. But the worry and it's for more that area no drivers are enam kwan no so. How dangerous is that stretch? And I don't pay when him say so free. And young Quantano Bawa Mantemo traffic alone, you can spend more hours.
Oh yes. Yes.
Number here 0244 72 4087. Just share with us and tell us the stress that we go through our that stretch of road and how bad the situation is here. Santasi-Kokoben Pechi now wakwa could do that stretch. How serious has the road been? Traffic ediaba and young quanta ofa udu dominance junction na ye bie kwanim ye bubu shops e wo kwan se that stretch ni nyina no ye gya no wo ho.
Kofi, unfortunately
yeah
onim ukọ wanim kakra so a there's another baby wo hono mo ye waterlog area and ye nya kwabna ne ma ne fele hono mo
wa fele awie
oguso a wo fele odi ba be filling station. And Kofi, you see, I mean, last week, the EPA boss,
yeah.
But I wish it's so best so that some of these related questions, will be answered. Because Kofi, look at this environment for instance. This environment we are. It is not good enough to say, say business will hold crown, as a filling station will crown, and you good enough to make me a filling station. Because already Nankas and Kofi cracks, I could cause assassin. And as a filling station is also a more tank, assassin. It's at the end of the day, say cracks be koba, na so mo ahwe ye na so mo antumi regulate a ho no mu ye na se ja kokoto ho no mu a Kofi what will be what dey na besi. Ade besi no very dangerous. Oko anim kakra so a ene ya fele ho no mu a ye de ba be filling station. So you ask yourself say Kofi pay for mo hwe ko no mo
87.9 Kumasi.
Are they on top of the issues? And I say they are sleeping on the job.
The worry is that ubia dwen I say they don't look around though. Say ne car na so Land Cruiser na eja wotim na we a wetwam no okọ because minim say Santasi stretch hui ye won penimfo bebre etiti area ho. And in fact it's so serious. For obet send me video and answer mo am obetimi I a part of the discussion 0244 72 4087 but
yeah wasemo
yeah
I heard you run about her yeah. When was the last time we said Chairman Sabo say, baby, your mother in chess than the travel no machine?
Almost filling station.
Almost filling station. Kofi, is it an ideal place on the filling station?
Almost filling station.
Kofi, what you say? Filling station, baby, almost filling station. Neti, and the National Security Force, the office,
the BNI
for office. Now, share the shops and the type of environment a what hold my filling station. Kofi, so the question is it an ideal place for say of a filling station now?
No, they just EP for no educate here.
There be on a crumb hand sense so it's near here is always kakra.
EPA will have to educate us on that.
Because say near here is always kakra there Kofi, then it means that you can influence everything. You can influence everything. Everything is possible. So always got there. Because that place, Kofi, it's not the horn me filling station. Baby a dri I want you run about. Our businesses are who do our home in now. Ya tumia tene home convert one their filling station. Whereas there are businesses and of course bigger offices at home area. Say kanina na kebi abeka say be a filling station by ansana. Those places need a develop it. But here's the case: you developing that place before the filling station. How is that possible? How?
The possibility is that in Ghana, everything is possible.
Kofi, are we in Nigeria? Why everything is possible? Is Ghana turning into Nigeria?
Now, Ghana and Nigeria difference behind.
Hey, no, because Kofi, no, it is becoming too dangerous and worry. Why we are out there, baby? I would know that crow or one be boo on the filling station.
We have the same African leaders that are leading us now. Therefore, you watch these pictures and videos. Igusu din komoya will be ascended we ediaba. Na observe mama ade we on from next week The nsuo no ba beto pa. Ba beto. Na from next week a lot of news are being on Kumasi Crudium Hano. Be so where did we go wrong? And what happened?
It is a YA exams. Every year be an ebeto. A pass was ebeto. Because in Suone Twa, Kofi Edenya, Edumbe Ma, Edumbe Yiri.
Okay.
Edenya beto.
Mammy ain't here this gentleman. On also consensus on Ediaba. Very quick one, for